Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook account private. So let's dive in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to make this account private, we're going to go up to the top right hand side, look for the profile picture, and here we're going to go settings and privacy, and then we're going to go into settings. Now within the settings over here on the left hand side, you'll see quite a few things. The one thing that we're looking for is audience and visibility. Okay, and here you can look for how people can find and contact you. Now there is a few other options over here. So the followers and public content we'll go into in a second, but this is the first thing that we're going to go into. So over here it says who can send you friend requests. So here we are seeing that it says everyone. Here we want to make sure that it just says friends of friends. Okay, so you can actually just go and select that. And then who can see your friends list? You can make sure that this says only me. And this is making it as private as possible. You're going to go down to each one of these sections, people within your email address. So you can go and click over here. You can just say no one. And as you go down here, you can see each one of these sections, you can just limit it to being as private as possible. Now, if you go down over here to followers and public content, you can see the same thing here. So who can follow me? Make sure that it's not on public. Okay. You can go down, who can see your followers on your timeline? Make sure that you are clicking on only me. And as you go down here, it'll just say only me. For most of these, if not only me, you can just limit it to your friends or friends of friends, and this will make it completely private. Now to check this, we can go back to our profile over here. This is our home page again, and then on the top right hand side, your profile picture and then your name. This will bring you to your page, and if you look at these three dots over here, it says view as, and this, it says you'll be able to view this now as not yourself. So this is what your profile or your Facebook account looks like to the public. Now, of course, I haven't changed any of my settings, but if you change any of your settings, you will be able to see those settings being changed in effect right over here. I hope this was helpful.